How to upload a video on Drive and share it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head to our Google Drive application. Log in with your Gmail account and go to Home section. Then after click on the plus new icon, click on Update and choose your video file which you want to upload on your Drive. Wait for a while and then it will be uploaded on your home section. Once the file has been uploaded, simply refresh your home section and there you go. Now to share it, simply click on the three dots in the video. Firstly go to Manage Access and in the Restricted section click on Change and click on Anyone with the link. Once the general action has been updated, simply click on three dots again and copy the link. Now you can send this link to anyone and they will be able to access the video. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, The Sus Tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.